Don't wake me, I'm not dreaming. Past lives could never hold me down. Lost love is sweeter when it's finally found. What up, everyone? So I'm up here at the greenhouse, and I'm having to clean it out because it's like, I don't think it's gonna rain. It might rain, who knows? But until then, I'm just pulling out the weeds and taking out all the green, just leaving the buckets and the dirt. So what I've been doing is working on the outside to get like a good demonstration and a good way going. Is right here. I've been pulling it out and putting it in a pile, and that's what it originally looks like. So I pull it out of the dirt and just pull some of the dirt with it, and this is how it's starting to look. So we need to get this whole thing cleared out, going from the edges, the front right here, and this edge, and all inside. Everything here needs to be cleaned out and looking like that. What up, everyone? It's another video of working outside, and I'm at the greenhouse. I've been pulling out some of the weeds in the grass, making it look like dirt. And I'll be going to the door. The door is just right here, and I'll just be working outside the door. I wanted to show off how I've done it. Really, it's just pulling it, and then I have a rake as well to rake it up into a pile. I'm just using my hands.
I just found this. See how it works. Oh yeah, it works like a charm. Wow. I'm so glad I found this. Alright, so that's this side nearly done. I just gotta get that much right there and over here, and then this side will be done. As you can see, it's looking great. There's a few green patches, but I can mark those up, get those gone, and then I'll be moving on. I gotta clear off most of this stuff, and then I'll be able to finally clean up the front part of this entire thing. But for the most part, it's great. It's all dirt up to that point right there. What up, everyone? I was on a break for like a real a real long minute, and the sun is like, it's gonna be going down really soon. So I figured I'd come back up here, and I worked a little bit more, and I just wanted to show it off, you know? So when it comes to the doorway, I have a big pile right here. I haven't gotten over there yet. I forgot about that because I was working so hard. But I was pulling with hands until I got to this point, and I found a little like pickaxe thing, and for this occasion. So I tended to use it, and it went by really fast. Actually, faster than I imagined it would go, and it's looking great. This property is now looking fantastic over here. So this is all used to be these piles of dirt right here. This all used to be right there. You see that pile of dirt? That pile, that's not a pile of dirt, my bad. That's a pile of dirt, that's a pile of dirt. And then it goes down the line right here. I've gotten the left side done so far. I haven't gone to the right side and I'm starting on the back right now. But there's a third pile. I have moose just sitting around in it. Here's a fourth pile right here. And I used the rake to rake up all of this. Like, this is a little pile of dirt right here. I need to push aside. There we go. But yeah, what do you think? Compared to inside, that's how it originally looked right there. That's how it originally looked. And then that was over here. And I turned it into piles of dirt. And also a nice raked up yard. This is what I've been using. Go like this. I'm not so good with my left hand. Let me switch my hands. Okay. See, that's how it would look. And then I'll just scrape it along. Of course, there'll be leftovers. Scrape that out. You see? Now it's starting to look better. And I'll have to do that all along there. This is the back side. And from the back side, I would have to go to the left end over here and clean up this. So really just, I've done two sides of this, and I have 2 more to go. What up, everyone? So when it comes to the side of where I was just showing you, because there's the front up there, and there's all the piles I've made, right? And how clean up it is. So I finished up on this end, and I made a big pile right here, and I've gotten all of this cleaned up, and especially around that pole, and it's looking fantastic. Can't you tell? It's looking fantastic. So this goes up a hill, so I figured don't work with that, and I'll work with this. And I went under the pole, I got this pole, and then I cleaned up all to this point right here. and then I went up to this point right there. And then I still got all of this side to do. One more side. It is 6. It's 6:50. It's 6:50 right now. And I came back out here to work around like 5:23, 5:25, something like that. I've been out here for a good minute, real good minute. I got one more section to do though, and it's still pretty bright out. The sun's almost going down. I think I got another hour to an hour and a half, so that gives me enough time to do this last section. Sorry, Moose, sorry. But for the most part, let me go to the entrance. Because once I get the left side over there, I'm going to follow up on this. But there's the entrance. Oh, well, that's the right side. This is the left side. But yeah, here's the left side. Here's the back. And then here's the last side to do, which would be the right side. And then I have to go picking up all of this, roll it up, so I could get all this done. But for the most part, I'm 3/4 of the way done for the outside part. Then I would have to go inside, and I'm glad I'm gonna get the outside done today, so I could work on the outside, the inside tomorrow. I think that's a good process. And I'm getting it done really fast for just being myself out here. Well, I got Moose, so it's not just me, I got Moose, but yeah. Alright, what up everyone? So it's now 7:30, and I'm gonna call it a quits. Sun's getting pretty low, and I feel like I've done enough work for today. I've gotten up to this point, which is halfway done. This big ass bush right here is halfway. So considering with this bush, it looks great. There's one pile done, 2 piles right there. Three piles right here, and this pile is in a big corner. And I need I could get this over here, but that's so far away from the greenhouse. I don't feel like I need to. I just need to get the walk path right here, which I've done a pretty good amount of. It's just getting late, and I feel like I should just go home and rest, take a shower. There we go. That took a second. But yeah, that's this whole path. This whole path is looking great. I'm gonna go back to the campsite and start glamping.
Don't wake me, I'm not dreaming. Past lives could've never hold me down. Lost love is sweeter when it's finally found.
What up everyone? So it's day 3 at cleaning the greenhouse. And before I go to the greenhouse, I'm over here. I've been checking the waters and they're all filled, so that's good. So my next task to do, since they're all filled, is to start spraying this start spraying one of these big canister things. There we have. And so, let me get that, get it all good. What I need to do is start spraying all of this. And I've already put the nozzle way back here. I have it all ready to go, and I just wanted to start a video up before I started spraying. Put you back behind a wire. Alright, test it out. Unflick that. Awesome. It's been a couple days. So these plants have been really needing water like this. Wow, I'm already on my last row. That's great. So when I'm done with this row, I'm gonna have to refill the water and do this again. Round 2 now, and I'm going to try to go to the other side of the plants and spray the second side. Oh my gosh, my right hand doesn't really feel good. It hurts. now it's time to clean up around here and then head to the greenhouse. So I'll be right back. What up, everyone? So I'm back at the greenhouse and I need to pick up the tarp and roll it up, and I'll be back at finishing the strip right here. And then from the strip I am going to be finishing up the front part, which is down here right there. This is the rest of the front part of it, and then after that I get to finally work on the inside and clean up the inside, which is going to be a lot easier to do, I feel like, because on the outside it's just like I have to, there's just so much more. I feel like there's just so much more. Alright, what up, everyone? So I'm trying to show an end result here now. So this will be the front entrance. Got it all cleaned up. And this side is the side I was just working on. I just now made a giant pile right here. I got it all cleaned up right here. All raked up. Got a second pile and a third pile, right? And then the fourth pile, and then a fifth pile. It just keeps going on with piles, you know. 6 and 7. Here's the seventh pile. The seventh pile is where my halfway marker was with the giant bush. This is part of the bush right here. And then 8 and 9 piles it took. Took 9 piles to clean up this area finally. And here's the back. The back's looking a lot better. Like, I need to work on the left side, because here's this side, right? And I only have like 1 pile, 2 piles, 3, 4, 5, 6 piles on this side. But look how clean this side looks compared to the other side. I could clean this up a little better. There's like stuff like this that's still on the ground I could take out. When I get these piles cleaned up is when I can see the official result of these areas and see what more I'll have to clean up. But this is looking great for the outside part, at least. It's not looking like a jungle anymore.